Now let's look at graphical symbols, and our first one is consumer unit. Stroke distribution board, and this one can be expressed in two ways. Its graphical symbol can be rectangle, then there's a line in one, or can be this way for distribution board, one, then this one with arrows, meaning circuits going to different places. And the wiring diagram can be, if you open the consumer unit, can be this way. So here you have our live block, another block. So here, so this is our live block, L block, and this is our neutral block, neutral block. We have our main switch inside the consumer unit. Switch. That is the first one, and the second one is one-way switch. One-way switch. One-way switch, and the symbol is like this. For one-way switch, so also expressed as this way, like that. The third one is a two-way switch. The third one is two-way switch. Two-way switch. Expressed, the graphical symbol of a two-way switch is this way, and in our wiring diagram, our two-way switch will appear this way in our wiring diagram, like this. So if this side is connected, the other side is dotted. So when you touch the switch, this one closes and the upper one opens. Okay. Our fourth one is intermediate switch. Intermediate switch. Intermediate switch, expressed in our wiring diagram as this way. Remember, they are facing different directions. So like that. So in our wiring diagram, the intermediate switch can be expressed in two ways. When you're doing a wiring diagram, these are, remember, these are our switch terminals. So it can be expressed this way, then dotted, so like that, or it can be expressed this way in our wiring diagram. You have this, like that. That one is an intermediate switch. Our third symbol is for the lamp. That is the lamp general symbol. Lamp general symbol will be like this. For our lamp, the general symbol will be like this. That's for the lamp. But when you are drawing it in your wiring diagram, it will appear this way. It can be expressed in two ways. So this is like an element, then can appear like this. or it can appear this way, this, take it up, coil, come back like that. So our lamp can be expressed in two ways. The other one is a spotlight, that is number 6, spotlight. And spotlight is expressed this way. Circle. And like this, and with arrows. That is how we express our spotlight. So one-way pull cord switch. There is one-way pull cord switch number 7. One-way pull cord switch, mostly used in maybe bedrooms if you don't use the two-way switching or bed switch. So there is that string that comes from the lamp fixture or lamp holder. So that kind of switch will be expressed this way. It's a graphical symbol. The graphical symbol for that will be like this, but with a string coming down that if you pull it, it will disconnect the circuit. So we also have what we call a one-way switch with the pilot lamp. One-way switch with pilot lamp. That is it. One-way switch with the pilot lamp. So these are types of switches that has a glow lamp. They have some neon on their plate. So if you switch them on, you'll see a light, small light. So one-way switch with the pilot lamp. With the pilot lamp expressed this way. That is its symbol. Okay. So one-way switch, period limiting switch. One-way period limiting switch, number 9. One-way period limiting switch. Its symbol is now like this, nothing inside, open. Double pole switch. Our 10th one is a double pole switch. Double pole switch. And the graphical symbol for double pole switch can be 2 small square with something like this, or a small square, something like that, a double pole switch. And this can be expressed this way. In your wiring diagram, we'll have 4 terminals, this, the other one like this, then we have this and this, and we have that. That is how it should be expressed in our wiring diagram. Okay. Let's look at that's the 10th one, right? And that is a single fluorescent lamp. Single